Open sesame. Pull right up. Radiator, 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 radiator. East Mount Houston. Hey, tap the horn, bro. Hey, cut this hoe off. Bitch got a bad engine, boy. Bad oil pump. Bad oil pump. Yo, yo! Yo, yo! Hey, tap the horn again, bro. Bump the horn. This ain't like him. That nigga normally out here on some shit. Huh? Nah, man. Fat Boy did before. But he a cool dude, man. You know, back when we was scrapping, Fat Boy did that. But then he said he came back because his radiator got fucked up and he needed some business. But this is...
I don't get out like that on this type of shit though. Not somebody gonna look out. I already like the beans and shit you talking about, you getting.
Yeah.
Shit, they got some shit out here that just sitting up. They've been doing that shit in a minute.
Yeah.
Ride by some children's bicycles.
Come on, man. This nigga in the back. Yo! He must be getting some panocha around the way.
You seen them two walking down the street?
Who? Talking to the other.
They act like they were looking in that gate.
Yeah, they were talking to that nigga. It was a Mexican dude in the gate.
I'm like, dang, hold on. Man.
Messing up my shoes, man. Huh? What's up, man? Long time no see, man. You fixed my radiator a long time ago. I come with the real fat dude. Fat boy, Gordo. Johnny. Now I got this one here. This bitch leaking real bad, man. It's for a customer. I'm not sure where exactly it's leaking from, but it may be from right here. Clean little Ford Ranger, boy. So that clean little Ford Ranger. Pat my phone?
Where?
Let me smoke one of them things with you, boy. I don't know why I been
little Ford Ranger where?
Right here. Let me see that.
What?
See one of them things.
Hey, bro, look, it do look like a white bump in that bitch. Like, that bitch gonna be bust.
Hell nah.
No bump in that bitch? Hey.
Yeah, I think it's leaking maybe from here. It's a real bad leak.
Okay.
So if it was leaking from here, would you be able to fix it? It come out of 1995 Buick Roadmaster.
Yeah, it's aftermarket radiator. Yeah, it's not the original one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the original one. When it's damaged, just crack the plastic, we replace the plastic, and that's it. But when it's the core, I can repair, but I don't know how long it's gonna work.
Yeah.
Sometimes leaking from here, 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 or the other side.
Yeah.
Because it's an aftermarket radiator. It's not the original one.
Yeah. So it probably would be best to just go and get a new one.
Yeah.
And how much would it be to fix it?
If you want to fix it, just the repair right there, I did that for 25.
You say
But
25?
we don't know how long it's gonna work. 1 week, 2 weeks, month, 2 months, a year, we don't know. Yeah, because it's not the original.
Yeah. Well, it's for a customer. It's not my car. I told him about you, man. He said he wanted to try to at least fix it. I mean, so if you want to fix it, man, I can give you 75 to fix it.
Yeah, but I told you I can.
You can't guarantee it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's no problem.
We don't know because it's pretty bad radiator aftermarket.
Yeah. So about how long you think it'll take you?
Like an hour.
1 hour. Okay, yeah. So I got some more business to handle. I guess I come back in about an hour, maybe 2.
Okay, good.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. All right. Swing back wide.